All right, friends. If you recall, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, if you watched my videos, we talked about growing potatoes. You know, a sack of potatoes now is what, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 for a bag of potatoes? Hey, grow your own. Now, folks, I hate to sound discouraging, but I just took a motorcycle trip up to the Smoky Mountains, and I stopped in Townsend, Tennessee, and I got a hamburger with fries and a drink, and it was like $16, almost $17. Where does it end? I'm shaking my head. I'm not trying to sound discouraged by what's going on. We've got to become more DIY, do it yourself. Hey, I spent $5 on seed potatoes. Do what it takes to survive this inflation. I don't have all the answers, but if I do, I'll share everything I got with you. Hang tough, folks. I'm not sure where the end game is on this, but it's not looking pretty right now. But do hang tough. Grow your own.